paws on the ground. C is for cat with a furry sound. D is for dog who's always around. E is for elephant, big and tall. F is for fish that swims and crawls. G is for goat that likes to chew. H is for hat that's shiny and new. I is for ice cream, yummy and sweet. J is for jelly, a wiggly treat. K is for kite, soaring high. L is for lion with a roar in the sky. M is for monkey swinging in the trees. N is for nest where birds take ease. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for penguin, waddling in the night. Q is for queen with a crown on her head. R is for rainbow in colors it spread. S is for sun, shining so high. T is for turtle, slow but spry. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin, playing a tune again. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, play for you. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zebra with stripes so profound. Words, words, we learned so many. Let's sing again and share with any.